service delivery.
In return to our earlier story where the Standard Group PLC has today held its annual general meeting, the 106th such AGM by the public listed company. During the meeting that was held at the company's headquarters on Mombasa Road in Nairobi, shareholders were brought up to speed on the company performance during the year to December 2023 and also deliberated on a plan to raise up 1.5 billion shillings through a rights issue. The Standard Group PLC owns leading homegrown and popular Kenyan media brands that command audience right across the region, including KTN, Spice FM, Radio Maisha, and Berur FM and the Standard newspapers.
Despite the adverse operating environment, our business has shown great resilience, driven by an unwavering commitment to serve our audiences and stakeholders. Our customers remain at the heart of everything we do. We are deeply grateful for their loyalty and trust, and we continually innovate and improve our product value proposition.
On the back of digitization and continuous improvement activities that we shall conduct immediately in the month of August and September and November, we have started. September outlook is extremely positive. We believe that in a short time, in the next year or so, we will come back to a good position, just taking these innovations and the continuous improvement activities a notch higher. And we thank you very much for the support you have shared with us this morning, and also for the continuous belief in the system and in the vision that we are creating together.
Shareholders, the next item on the agenda is to authorize to raise up to 1.5 billion through a rights issue to holders of issued ordinary shares. I now request the company secretary to read out the proposed resolution with respect to this agenda and confirm whether we have a proposer and a seconder of the motion.
Thank you, Chairman. Shareholders, once again, the next resolution shall be passed by way of a special resolution, and it reads as follows: that the directors be and are hereby authorized until the date of the next annual general meeting of the company to raise up to 1.5 billion through a rights issue, subject to receipt of the required regulatory approvals, including but not limited to the approval of the Capital Markets Authority, the Nairobi Securities Exchange, and by way of rights to the holders of issued ordinary shares in the company registered at the close of business on such date and at such prices as shall be determined by the directors, and on such terms and conditions as the directors may determine. Chairman, I wish to confirm that Evanson Marigi Njoroge has proposed the resolution, and Mary Wambui Gashuruba has seconded the motion.
Nambale Boys High School in Busia County is counting losses after